crabs are harvested and we get all that jumbo lump crab. This is all exciting. Right now, though, we're going to jump in and talk about something brand new from Temp-tations. Is it a bread bowl? Is it a serving bowl? Is it a baker? Yes, yes, and yes. Look who's here. Tara Tesher is back from your goddaughter's graduation.
Oh my gosh, we had the best time.
We saw all the pictures.
It was wonderful out in
I'm
Colorado.
spitting, I'm so
I was going to say he's drooling. He's so excited. He's drooling over the mac and cheese. Let's just be clear.
That might be the case.
I know,
all right,
honey.
hey, this is a remarkable little bowl, but I think it's probably a misnomer to call it a little. How much capacity?
It's a little over a quart. So we are constantly asked for some more personal sizes. Maybe it's just you, maybe it's just two of you. This is going to be that perfect baker and also that beautiful upswept silhouette. So you have still the beautiful beading, but look how those handles come upwards. You don't sacrifice any of the capacity, and exactly what David was saying. I called it a bread basket because it's so reminiscent. If you were in Paris and you were at like a brasserie, this is what they would bring you the bread in.
Ooh.
Right?
Fancy.
Right.
Well, you have like
Pepe
a
Le
little
Pew.
brunch
bread
basket.
Little scones in here, some beautiful cinnamon rolls,
Some
all those
kipples
different things.
are in there
and
as
can
well.
we just talk about that palm? Oh,
Gorge.
hey, palm.
Yeah, really, really lovely. This is brand new. Usually all we have to do is say Temp-tations and bowl.
And new.
And new, and the phone lines go wacky. Hey, Ray, my director, can we shoot profiles of these?
Great idea.
Because I think that will help you better understand. And we'll start here with Old World. This is Old World Blue, one of our most popular Old World colors. You've got that beaded border around the top, and then of course you've got more of the great Old World inside. In addition to that, I've got confetti for you. Many of you are going to be loving confetti, and you want to pick that up. That has all the colors of Old World. The color that started everything with Old World is green.
The OG.
And so that is available for you.
Oh.
We're now down to fewer than 200 in the green.
Wow, okay.
Okay, this is Woodland White.
You need this for your collection, my friend.
Oh, heavens. I'm going to tell you right now, don't wait on Woodland White. Already most popular and already, what was that, Brian? Fewer than 500 remain.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Buttercream.
A buttercream.
In Woodland. Really, really beautiful. And a soft pastel yellow.
Yes, it is. Beautiful.
Lovely.
Buttery.
Doodle-doo-doodle-doo.
Rooster,
Black,
good luck in your kitchen.
Black doodle-doo. Red doodle-doo. Just in
How
time.
fabulous. Baked beans.
For all of your patriotic get-togethers. This is, I think we're calling this Americana. Patriotic is what I meant. Your favorite is the palm.
I love that. It's etched in there. It's got a like matte finish on the sides. Beautiful.
And then all aflutter.
All aflutter. All of our and I know, by the way, everything we've brought this in this season has literally sold out. So that all aflutter has that kind of stencil art detail with all of those pastel colors. And then, of course, we have
fewer than 100 left in all that
I'm not surprised. I'm sure since we made it available, it's been popular.
And then we've got floral lace. This is the gray. I also have the black. Here's the cranberry, and notice the inside is the reverse color treatment. This is the beaded border. Here's the red. And what is going to be the most popular in floral lace will be that inky cobalt blue. So all this comes together for you. Oh, it's gorgeous. Electric blue. So all this is coming your way with something very special. Don't miss out. We're very, very busy, and if you only use this as a bowl or a baker, great.
Perfect.
Want to use it as a bread bowl? Absolutely.
Perfect side dish. You can actually bake bread right in here, which is fantastic. All of these pieces are oven safe up to 500 degrees, which is fantastic. You can tuck it under the broiler, and I love it for mayonnaise-based salads, right? Coleslaws, potato salads, all of those great sides that we want to put out there. You can go ahead and chill this ahead of time and then bring it right to the table. Because you have those great upswept handles, David, look how easy this is to get it in and out of the oven, to put it there on the table. It's absolutely stunning, and it's a personal size. Tell me.
I'm wondering, could you take this and put it into an egg-shaped air fryer?
Yeah, 100% you could. I knew right where you were going, by the way. It's a great size for your air fryer.
Because the handles are upswept, right?
Yes.
They're not sticking out. They're up, right? So if you want to drop this even down into an egg-shaped air fryer, you can do that,
Great idea, yes. And things like your delicate crusts, like an individual chicken pot pie, or this is easily serviced for probably like 2 or 3, which is fantastic. But again, the fact that you get that even heating all the way around, no hot spots, how beautiful is, look at the crust there. That's the beauty when you're cooking with Temp-tations. It's what our grandmothers used. It's what their grandmothers used. We just bring it to today's lifestyle. Great patterns, great designs, makes it easy in and out of the fridge.
You know what you brush pastry with if you want it to be brown?
A little egg wash?
A little milk.
Oh, milk. I did not know that.
Egg will make it shiny.
Oh.
Might also make it brown, but it also makes it shiny.
Got it.
The milk will turn it into a
Oh, I
golden
love that.
brown color.
And look at this. This is a ton of mac and cheese. So when we talk about this being your personal size, a little over a quart is the perfect size for a side dish, maybe just for yourself or the two of you. Like, you love that mac and cheese. I know.
I could
know.
tear that
I
up.
know. But baking breads in here, look at this. This is what we love about it. So now, yes, you can bake your bread in here. It becomes your bread basket. So think about it, whether it's hot, whether it's cold, whether you're baking in here. This is going to be your go-to piece, and it's brand new this season.
So many people are making their choice now, and I would encourage you, maybe if you want to pick up a couple of these, they make great side dishes. So if you wanted to put great baked beans, mayonnaise-based salads in one, mashed potatoes in another. We're getting so many requests for smaller vessels, right?
And I get it. I do get it.
This is a little over a quart, and 1,000 of these are gone now.
Thank you, everybody.
Now here is the confetti, has all the colors of Old World.
How beautiful that is with the silhouette. And there you can see the rope detail. So everything you love from your Old World pattern, all of those brush strokes incorporated there.
Then we have the blue.
Love.
Here's the green. If you want that green, final 100 available. Here is the white woodland. Most popular with 250 left.
Ooh, half.
That's all.
Half of what we started.
Only 200 left in the buttercream. Black doodle-doo.
Doodle-doo. Look at this.
And
so
look
cute.
at the gorgeous roosters on the inside. Here's the red doodle.
The cobblestone little quadrifoil around it. It's so fun.
Patriotic. Fewer than 150 to go around. And here's the palm. Etched and gorgeous. Fewer than 100 left in palm. This is all a flutter. I have 4 dozen left.
See what I mean?
Then in our floral lace, I've got gray, black. This is cranberry, a color we don't do that often anymore.
No, we do not, and it's always popular.
And here's the red.
Put these two together.
And finally, the inky cobalt blue.
You could get all 3 of these.
Or if you wanted to do the patriotic.
Little mix and match.
Now, I believe that we decorate for patriotic holidays every day of the year.
That's right.
And remember, Memorial Day is not
a celebration.
An excuse to have a barbecue.
That's correct.
It's the time of remembrance for the men and women who served in our mighty military, who gave their life and made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom.
That is correct.
So we remember and honor those men and women on this Memorial Day. So I hope we will remember that.
We should all keep
Not
that
really
in
all
mind.
that appropriate to say Happy Memorial Day, but
keep it flavorful.
We remember.
That is correct.
We never
do
forget.
Remember.
We never forget. And that's so important. Don't miss out on this. And Tara Tesher,
you
you're
can't
coming
get
back.
rid of me.
I scream, you scream.
We all scream, I scream. I'm coming back around 9:30 Eastern.
All right, looking forward to that,
All right.
my friend.
Bye, my friend.
Thank you.